What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey, y'all. It is Damon here from DecoExchange, and we're going to make a Christmas wreath tonight, y'all. We're going to use our 21-inch mesh and our 10-inch mesh. All right, y'all, to start, like always, we're going to fold that over and pinch it down the middle. Y'all, okay, this is going to be different than what we normally do. We're going to take our mesh and we're going to do 10-inch poofs around the bottom. What kind of mesh am I using? This is a wide foil 21-inch mesh. All right. We did 10-inch poofs around the bottom, but I want to keep this wreath kind of flat. So normally I would have done 10-inch poofs around the top and 10-inch poofs around the bottom. But this time we're going to do ruffles on the top and poofs on the bottom because the ruffle is going to be kind of flat. We're going to do about a 25-inch ruffle, and we're going to do them about we're going to do 8 of them for the center. You know what? We better only do them 20. Let's do them 20. So there's 1, 2, all right, so we're going to put these on the top. Y'all, on the ruffle, we're going to fold in the corners a little bit and then crunch it up in the center. And then we're going to add one of these all the way around the top. I want to make sure that the bottom is nice and thick. So I'm going to add ruffles along the bottom as well. I'm going to do 5 20-inch ruffles. Y'all, and we're going to put a ruffle in every other one. Y'all, so we did ruffles around the top, ruffles on every other one on the bottom. Now we're going to put, let's do curls in these. So y'all, I'm going to cut my curls 10 inches. Y'all, now we're gonna add 2 curls to every other one. The trick on curls is not to make them too tight. You don't want them to be like a tight perm. Make them loose. Make an X, and then just slide that X right into the twist ties. And I'm just putting it every other one. So there's our base. And the base for me is relatively thin. It's only about 6 inches steel, but it is 28 inches wide and it looks nice and thick. All right, so we voted earlier and we chose this sun. So I am going to get my pipe cleaners stapled all around. Whenever I add a pipe cleaner to a mesh wreath, I like to have one long pipe cleaner. Okay, so I just keep about 1.5 inches on the board. We're gonna staple it down and we're gonna twist it off. All right, so now we just need to get all of our pipe cleaners tucked right in the center. This is just what I personally like to do. I like to have 2 twist ties on each end of the sign. Now, the reason that I want a twist tie on each end is so that I can put tails coming out. Whenever you add it, make it tight so that it doesn't move, but don't make it look like you're trying to suck it in for your senior pictures. All right, and I always do this corner, then this corner. All right, last corner over here. Let's see, let's do about a 12-inch tail. So y'all, our board's 8 inches, so I just pull it about 4 inches further. Give it a nice pinch. Then before we stick it in the little pegs, we're gonna twist it. That way we have the pretty side and the ugly side showing. Let's do about a 6-inch loop. All right, I'm gonna do 1 long tail and 1 short tail. Because I chose so many ribbons, we're only gonna do 1 loop on each one. All right, so we're gonna do our 1.5-inch green next. We're gonna go about 6.5 inches. On this next one, we're gonna put the ribbon on the same side. Where can you buy a bow maker? DecoExchange.com. All right, I think we used all the colors that I wanted, so that's good. Y'all, for my bows, I like to put two pipe cleaners together, give them a little twist, to make one longer pipe cleaner. Let's slide it off, put our pipe cleaner through there. Are my loops all the same size? Nope, they got a little bit smaller every time. Get this nice and tight. And give it a twist. I only did one loop and two tails of every single ribbon. I'm going to get my pipe cleaner through this mesh. I want to get the bow where it is low enough not to cover our elf. There's no, as long as it ain't ugly, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Y'all, now we need, so that was one. There's 18 twist ties total. So now we have 17. And we're going to do a different set of ribbon combinations in every twist tie. Eight of both. One, two. There's our 8. We're gonna cut these. Cut these. Then we will dovetail both. This is a 2.5-inch ribbon, yes. So in order to get my ribbon tails, all I have to do is wrap them around this board. And all my tails are going to be the perfect size. All right, so we're going to layer our ribbon together, fold them in half, give it a pinch, and then add that into every one of those twist ties that are on your frame. All right, y'all, and all I'm doing is opening my tails up just like that. So y'all, this is our ribbon tails just around the outside. Now we're gonna add ribbon tails on the top layer. All right, so that's where our wreath is so far. Y'all, now I wanted to take a little bit of greenery and add our greenery in there. All right, so there's our greens. All right, so y'all, we're just gonna take one of these little stems and glue them around. Do I usually put the sign on before the tails? Yes. So y'all, I'm just gluing those stems right into the twist. Y'all, there's our little Merry Christmas elf wreath. That's it. I am gonna head home and maybe I'll see y'all tomorrow. We'll see. Y'all have a good night. Bye, y'all.